The dangerous situation was recorded by a dash cam when a four-seater car deliberately squeezed into the space between two moving vehicles. This reckless action led to a serious collision, causing the car to be thrown into the air and hit the roadside railing hard. Fortunately, there were no casualties, but the damage caused was extremely heavy. This situation is a clear warning about the importance of obeying traffic rules and maintaining safe driving awareness. One moment of carelessness and risk can lead to unpredictable consequences, even one's life. At an intersection, the car was moving across the street, but the driver did not carefully check behind. In that moment, a four-seater car rushed at high speed, and because he could not react in time, the driver of the four-seater car could not avoid the collision. The strong impact caused the four-seater car to fly off the road, rotate before sliding on the road, creating a chaotic scene. Debris from the car was scattered everywhere. This accident reminds everyone that careful observation when participating in traffic, especially when moving across the road, is extremely important to avoid unfortunate situations and protect the safety of yourself and others. People around. Dashcam captured the moment a car rushed off the bridge at high speed. The loss of control caused the car to fall from a height, causing a serious accident. This is a clear warning about the dangers of speeding and lack of control, especially on high-risk roads such as bridges, where losing control can lead to unpredictable consequences. Always keep a safe speed and stay focused when driving, especially in dangerous areas. Have you ever experienced a similar situation on the road? Please share your story.
Oh my god, bro. My whole fucking car, bro. No fucking...
At an intersection, a police car traveling at high speed while on duty suddenly collided with a four-seat black car. The strong impact caused the police car to rush onto the roadside and crash into a power pole on the sideline. The scene after the collision was very serious, when both cars were seriously damaged. The police car, after crashing into an electric pole, had its front broken, while the four-seater car was also deformed. This accident reminds everyone of the importance of observing speed and careful observation when participating in traffic, especially when road conditions are complex and emergency vehicles are on duty. Click the bell icon to receive notifications about our next videos. A horrifying scene occurred on the highway when a white car drove at high speed. At the turn, the driver could not control the steering wheel, causing the car to lose control and rush into the next lane. At that moment, the small car rammed directly into the front of the large truck, creating a strong collision. The impact caused the truck to lose control, crash into the bridge, and suddenly explode. Fire broke out, creating a terrifying scene and causing panic in many surrounding vehicles. This accident is a serious warning about driving too fast and lacking concentration, especially when road conditions are high. Amnesty is not favorable. Controlling your speed and always staying alert while driving is extremely important to avoid unpredictable consequences like this. Car driver was traveling at high speed through the intersection without stopping at a red light, leading to a serious collision with another vehicle. The strong impact caused the car to be thrown out and crash onto the side of the road. This accident not only caused damage to the vehicles, this situation highlights the importance of obeying traffic signals and keeping a safe speed, especially when traveling through busy intersections. Don't forget to share this video with your loved ones to drive safer together. The car and truck collided strongly with each other, causing the truck to overturn, fall on its side, and lie exposed on the road. The strong impact caused the truck to lose control and overturn, causing debris to fly everywhere. The car was also seriously damaged, while the truck was motionless, unable to move. This accident is a warning about the dangers of not keeping a safe distance between vehicles, especially is when large trucks move nearby. Every driver needs to pay attention and always comply with traffic rules to avoid causing such serious accidents. Have you ever encountered a similar traffic situation? Share your story with us. south from Green Springs Station in Baltimore, Maryland, an accident occurred when a rented Camry drove straight into the right lane, even though it should have merged from the left. Not only did he cause a collision with the cam car, the driver also ran away immediately afterward without stopping to resolve the incident. This is a very dangerous action and a serious violation of traffic laws. Situations like this not only cause property damage, but can also endanger other road users. Hopefully, this person will soon be discovered and held responsible for his actions. Security cameras recorded a terrifying situation when a white car, moving at high speed, suddenly collided strongly with a red car going in the opposite direction. The collision happened too fast and too strong, causing the white car to be thrown into the air. In that terrifying moment, the white car crashed straight down on a motorbike moving in front, completely crushing the motorbike before falling to the road. This incident emphasizes the dangers of driving in traffic, high speed and failure to comply with traffic rules. Always keep a safe speed and be careful on the road, because a small mistake can lead to catastrophic accidents.